Have you been on the prowl for the perfect place to live? This one's in a whole new category. You're going to want to pounce on this one. The price is perfect. I'm not kidding around. This layout is amazing. Let's pause and soak in this kitchen. Speaking of soaking, this is the perfect place to soak in some sun. Climbing the real estate ladder in no time. This home is a real catch. Do you mind? Look at this bedroom. Are you feeling randy? Either way, it's perfect for naps. When you're ready to think outside the litter box, drop me a line.